uh, PM Modi released a special commemorative coin on 125th birth anniversary of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually released a special issue of 125 rupees commemorative coin on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of International Society of Krishna Consciousness ISKCON, which is popularly known as Hare Krishna movement. He was born on 1st September 1896 in Calcutta, in British India. A booklet on the major contributions and achievements of Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada is also featured with each coin in the commemorative box. On July 2021, the Department of Economic Affairs under the Ministry of Finance issued a coinage issue of commemorative coin to commemorate the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Rules 2021 to mint the coins denominations of rupees 125. The commemorative coins, uh, the, the commemorative coins of India can be purchased from the mint or from online platforms of Mints or Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. Specifications of the coin: it is made up of 50% of silver and 50% of the copper. You will observe lion capital of Ashoka and image of Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada on it, and the cost of the coin is nearly 4,600 plus shipping charge. 4,600 plus shipping charge. If we Who is this A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada? Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada was a leader in the Gaudiya Vaishnava community, a monotheistic tradition within the broader Hindu culture. He established the International Society for Krishna Consciousness ISKCON in 1966. He has authored more than 70 volumes on the Krishna tradition, and his writing has been translated into more than 76 languages. He is well known for his works include like Bhagavad Gita and 30 volumes Srimad Bhagavatam and 17 volume Chaitanya Karimrita, Karitamrita. And if you see these minting coins, who will take care of these minting coins? Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, SPMCIL, is a wholly owned Schedule A Mini Ratna Category 1 company of the Government of India. Chairman and Managing Director Tripti Patra Ghosh. Here the Security and Minting Corporation of India Limited chairman is Tripti Patra Ghosh. Headquarters is in New Delhi.